How to upload YouTube Shorts the right way in 2026. Now, if you have been uploading YouTube Shorts and not getting the views that you've expected, the issue is usually not your content alone, it's how you're uploading it. Because in 2026, YouTube Shorts are no longer just about posting a quick vertical video and hoping it goes viral. The platform has evolved. The algorithm has become more refined, and the best part is that small details in your upload process now play a much bigger role than most people realize. Now, a lot of creators spend hours editing a video, making it visually appealing, adding captions, and even trying to make it engaging, but then they rush through the upload process without understanding how each step affects their performance. Now, that is where the things are going to go wrong. So in this tutorial, we're going to go step by step through the correct ways to upload YouTube Shorts in 2026, not just the technical steps, but also the strategy behind them. So you fully understand why each part matters and how it contributes to reach and engagement. So before you even upload anything, you need to make sure your content actually qualifies as a short in the first place. So for that, firstly, we're going to go over to our YouTube studio. Okay. Now, once you go to your YouTube studio, you're going to make sure that, first of all, you have a set account to upload the shorts on. Okay. So we have this, all of this pretty straightforward, pretty fun stuff. You're going to go over to content. Okay. And this is the space where you're going to find all of your work and all the things that you've posted, all the things you haven't posted, etc. Then moving on, right around here, you can go to earn. And in earn, you can actually see if you are eligible for earning through shorts. As you can see, you need around 10 million views on shorts. Okay. So to get this for yourself, what you're basically going to be doing is you're going to come right over here onto your YouTube studio, and whatever short you have, you're going to go ahead and judge it out for yourself. So as we can see, I'm going to go into my downloads, and this is the short basically that I want to create. Now I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you just a glance of it. Now it's basically a short about a performance. Okay. So it's basically two guys performing a rock song. So it's basically like that, right? Now, shorts are vertical videos that are typically under 60 seconds in length. Although the platform has been experimenting with slightly longer formats in some cases, but length is only one part of it. The aspect ratio is going to matter as well. Your video should be in a vertical format, not a horizontal format, so it fits properly in the shorts feed. Now, if your video does not meet these criteria, it may not be categorized as a short, which means it won't benefit from the shorts algorithm. So this is a simple step, but it's one that many creators are going to overlook. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and prepare your video for the proper upload. Now, if you don't have any crazy editor like, Premiere Pro or maybe CapCut, don't worry. I've got you covered. Everything can be done simply through our good friend Canva, because Canva will allow you to do anything on it. Your video needs to be optimized for attention, and Canva is going to do that for you. So to get it optimized, this means your first few seconds are quite critical and your aspect ratio needs to be cool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hit create over here. I'm going to go with upload, and right here we're going to click on upload files. Once you click on upload files, you're going to upload the video that, of course, we're going to be working on. So over here, to obviously start with this video, you're going to click on add to uploads. Now, once you click on add to uploads, what's going to happen from here is this video is going to be added straight into your Canva. So once it's added, there's a few things that you're going to need to fix. Now, of course, I told you, first of all, the aspect ratio that needs to be, pretty standard and pretty straightforward. Then moving on, the hook should immediately capture interest, because shorts viewers scroll pretty quickly and you have a pretty small moment to stop them. Your visuals should be pretty clear, your audio should be clean, and your message should be quite easy to follow. Adding captions is also pretty important because many users are going to watch without sound. All of this preparation directly affects how your video performs once it is fully and finally uploaded. Okay, so of course I'm going to make my video look a little, nice. We're going to make it better. We're going to improve it. And once we've done that, we're going to see how we're going to get into the upload process. So once our video has been added into our uploads, we're going to go ahead, hit create, and over here, we're going to go to videos. And once you go to videos, you're obviously going to go over to your mobile video right here. Okay. Or you can even go ahead and open up a YouTube Shorts design. Now, the reason I'm going to open up a specific YouTube Shorts design is because it's going to keep the ratios according to itself. It's going to align it perfectly to what it should be. And according to that, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be fixing your video. Okay. So what we're going to be doing is we're simply going to go ahead right here. Okay. And once you're here, you're going to go ahead, move over to your uploads. Now, once you move over to your uploads, what's going to happen from there on out is we're simply going to go ahead and upload the file that we put into our uploads. Okay. Go over to videos, choose this file, bring it here. Now, once this file has been uploaded and everything is good to go, what you're going to do from there on out is simply go ahead and realign it accordingly for yourself. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this right as so. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and increase their sizes. And once you increase their size, you're going to bring them, down here accordingly. Once you've done that, increase the ratios. There we go. So now we have a perfect 9:16 ratio, okay, for ourselves. Now to obviously make it look pop off, you can go ahead and start adding the elements. You can go ahead and color grade the video. That is doable as well by going into edit. Once you go into edit, you can change the colorings by going over into adjust. So as we can see, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little warm. We're going to go on the warmer side. And once that is done, let's go ahead and take down the brightness. We're going to increase the contrast a bit. Let's decrease, or let's go with a little highlights. Okay. I'm going to improve the shadows. You can take down the whites or increase them. That obviously depends on you. Take down the blacks. So once that is done, you have your video, set. It's good to the eye now. So if we play it, as you can see, it is going to look something like this for the audience. Now add your text, make it lookable in the start, etc. Do all of those things. And once you've done that, go to share, go to download. Once you go to download, here we're simply going to go ahead and download in the same preference that we have it in. And this is where YouTube is going to come in. This is where the fun stuff actually starts. You've done 80% of the things. Now all you need to do is come over to YouTube. Okay. And once you've done that, you're simply going to wait for your video to fully download onto your desktop. Once that is done, we're going to come over to YouTube and we're going to hit create. Once you hit create, over here, you're going to go to upload videos. Now, although you can see that it doesn't give you the option to upload a short, it simply gives you the option to upload a video, right? Now, you're probably wondering, why isn't it giving me an option for a short? Now, the reason for that is because YouTube recognizes itself if the video is going to be a short or is it going to be a general video. So, as you can see, my video is not downloaded. I'm going to click on select files. I'm going to go over to my downloads. Here's my video. I'm going to go ahead and send it over to the uploading section. And once you have done that, what YouTube does is it automatically detects that this video is going to be a short, and you can automatically look at that. So the video link is a shorts link. So it's a short video. Now, what you can do is simply add in your title, your description. Do make sure to write the correct titles, the correct descriptions. And once that is done, make sure to have the proper keywords, hashtags to obviously make sure your YouTube short is working well. And of course, do make sure, because if it's a short, that doesn't mean you don't go ahead and add tags, because tags are really important in this section. So you can change the thumbnail as well, by the way. You can change it in the YouTube app if you have it. And once that is done, you have your short good and done and ready to upload. So, uploading YouTube Shorts the right way is not complicated, but it does require attention to detail. When you combine good content with a proper upload process, your chances of success increase significantly. And over time, those small improvements actually lead to big results. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.